Painting in a sketchbook is a great way of keeping a visual journal of ideas and color experiments. All my paintings on paper start with a pencil sketch like this one. To simplify color mixing, I'm using only 4 colors: yellow ochre, cadmium red light, ivory black, and titanium white. This limited palette is perfect for realistic portraits. You can easily adjust the color mixture with a hint of black or white. The best way to find the ideal color is to test it out on your palette. If you don't want to lose the pencil guidelines, lay down the paint in small sections. I generally start with the darkest value, followed by medium and then light. The secret to painting white is to not use white exclusively. Mix it with another color and then slowly add more white as you build the layers. This will give you the most realistic look. Now it's time to repeat the same process on the kitten and add some defining details to both cats at the very end. And here's the finished portrait painted with only 4 colors. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.